Poor Turbo. How do you feel, buddy? You alright? Huh? Huh? You okay, buddy? Yeah, he has a cone. Huh? You okay, buddy? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys, and I have an awesome unboxing for you guys. So, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen that I posted this box on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it is Focus200, letter M, same as the channel name, guys. But let's go ahead and dive down into what I got for the Mustang. In this box, hopefully that's the right way you can see it, but from CJ Pointy Parts, guys, I got something very, very cool for the Mustang. So let's go ahead and dive down, open it up, and see what we got. So from CJ Pointy Parts, Turbo is super excited to open this, help me open this package. If you guys are wondering what happened to Turbo, he got neutered just the other day, and he has to wear the cone of shame. So yeah, he's not happy about the cone, but he can't lick his wound for 14 days, can't do anything for about 14 days, so yeah, enough about Turbo, he's fine. Let's go ahead and dive down into this package. So let's go ahead and open her up right here. Okay, so once again, we got a big bag of air. This is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, just kidding. Invoice, let's see what this says. Nothing. So, ooh, guys, you guys are gonna be so excited about this. I know Turbo's jazzed up right now, huh, buddy? So, from Diode Dynamics, let's go ahead and zoom in here. From Diode Dynamics, guys, we have the Demon Eye kit, guys. Ooh, boom. Looks very intimidating, but I've seen a lot of videos on how to... Could you not? Hey, stop it. Looks very intimidating, but we're gonna go ahead and install these probably by the next slide or the next couple days. I'm gonna be super busy, but alright, Turbo, you gotta move, dude. So this is why I can't do unboxings. So we have everything that is needed for this Demon Eye kit. What is this? This is the actual Demon Eye, it looks like, right here in this package. But I'm gonna leave everything in there, and then we'll check out everything as soon as we go ahead and install it, which, like I said, will be the next slide over the span of a couple days. So I'm gonna show you how to take off your bumper. I really don't feel like taking off my bumper, but yeah, it's gonna have to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the garage in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so we are here at the shop, and yeah, my car is 100% filthy on the parts that we need to touch to get to the to remove the bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the car. It looks like it's about to rain anyway, but it doesn't matter, just so the parts that we are gonna be touching is gonna be clean. As you can clearly see, it is gonna storm here soon, but if you look here, it is completely filthy right in the tire well and underneath. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly rinse down the car and get everything nice and clean for the install. Once again, we're using the shop. I'm gonna use all the shop lights, kind of clean up the shop a little bit so I can work on this Demon Eye kit and go ahead and get this installed. So quickly be back, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the car and then bring it in, air dry it off, dry off the bottom, and then hopefully my cousin will be here in time so we can go ahead and put it up on the ramps, remove the bumper, and then get this Demon Eye kit installed so we can see what it looks like, guys. All right, be back in 2 seconds. Okay, all the cleaning of all the cars are done. Now let's go ahead and pop this bad boy on the ramps, and I have Terrence behind me to guide me up so I don't mess anything up. So let's get into it. Yeah. Oh, it's scary. I hate doing that. Yeah. once I pump the jack goes up, Alright, little hiccup. We need to go grab another socket set for the last bolt right here. If I can show you guys. This last little guy that's always right here. You know what? Oh yeah, she got it off. Okay, cool. So we'll still need the socket set just to put it back on. But yeah, the clips on the back are already taken off. I just need to take off the bumper, and then after that, we're all set. So in the next pan, you'll see us pulling off the bumper. All right, we got the damn bumper off. It sucked. I'm never doing this ever again. We had to go to the parts store. Actually, Terrence had to go to the parts store twice. Ford, why do you do this to me? All right, so now we got the bumper off. Put it in a safe place. It's actually right here below the camera, because I'm gonna get a new splitter anyway soon. So we can go ahead and take out these headlights. I'm gonna make a phone call to my buddy, figure out how he got it done. I wanna clean my hands because there's cuts all over them. Gloves! We're gonna have to change our gloves out anyway. But yeah, so I'm gonna dive down after I get these headlights off and
no gloves, no love.
All right, complications. Don't have enough tools. So once again, they went to the store to go grab some. As you can see, the bumper is off. Like I said, the headlights are out. My car has been butchered. But yeah, this is a how to install video, because obviously this will take forever. But just so you can see that I got the demonized. So with all that being said, we're almost done. It looks really weird without my bumper on and headlights in. It's actually kind of scary. But yeah, it's almost done, guys. Once the next clip, I'm just gonna skip to the next clip and they're done and they're running and working and everything. I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Evan. He's been helping me out this whole way from Arizona. So we've been calling on Snapchat and he's been helping me out big time. So next clip is gonna be it being done. See you in a second. Okay guys, I am done. The demon eyes look really, really good as you can see, but I am ready for bed. It took us literally from 12 o'clock until about now, which is 6 o'clock, to get these done. Had a lot of wiring issues. Once again, big shout out to my boy Evan. He helped me out with this demon eye install. And yeah, if you guys like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, all that stuff. In the next video, I'll show you what they look like at night. But once again, stay focused guys, be safe, and I'm out of here.